Thank you, everyone, for being here, and thank you, Plug and Play, for this amazing introduction. So we are one of the lucky ones to work with Daikin. I'll tell you a bit about our company. Sensio, our goal is to understand what's in the air. So we built this device that can characterize and differentiate particles in the air. The real problem today is that air quality is a massive challenge, and the technology out there is giving poor results, meaning that today the way the air is analyzed is with very simple technology that only tells you the size and the frequency of the particles. Having as allergic asthma, myself and my co-founder, we decided to dig deeper and to better understand these particles. So we worked for over 3 years, R&D, on characterizing these particles down to the micron, differentiating them. Combining this with smart algorithms on both our backend platform, but also on our mobile applications, this helped us build a preventative tool for people with asthma, COPD, or allergic rhinitis. So today, what we can characterize and differentiate down to the micron is mold, dust mite, pet dander, tree pollen, grass pollen, and we can even differentiate subspecies, meaning we can tell if it's birch pollen or cedar pollen, if it's cladosporium mold or aspergillus mold. This means that the impact we can have in hospital contracted diseases, mold generated by HVACs or other ventilation systems can be serviced on time before things go bad. Our sensor also has off-the-shelf sensors that allow us to better understand the environment, which means CO2, temperature, humidity, and also impact the environment in this space to better weather control the mold, the dust mite, or other things. So that's why I don't like PowerPoint. So we have real data from over 520 cities right now. There should be a map in the back here. We currently are offering this for free on the mobile application on both Android and iOS. The app allows you to have real-time air quality levels near you. So we're here in San Jose, but I mean Sunnyvale and so on. You can log your symptoms, and we cross-reference these symptoms with whatever's in the air, whether it's outdoors or indoors. This allows us to give you a summary on your health, better statistics, better understanding of what might be causing your symptoms, and in general, improve quality of life. We also offer an API rental. So basically, if you have your own product, you can use our deployment in order to better understand the air quality around you and offer recommendation, doctor's advice, and so on the platform. So currently, we are standing here. Our current capability is mold, dust mite, pet dander, all the way down to we are beginning to look at anthrax, and hopefully in the next few years we'll be sub-micron and be able to look at bacteria and other things that are challenging. We've had a few awards, amongst other is the CES Innovation Award, Honoree, MIT, we're Forbes 30 under 30, and we're currently part of the StartX batch of fall. We've had a bit of press. I'm Cyril, I'm the CEO and co-founder. Yves is our chief scientist and my co-founder as well. So I guess a lot of you here want to know what it is to work with Daikin. I mean, it's the largest manufacturer of HVACs in the world. And it's a great opportunity for any startup to, first of all, understand how can they have a product market fit with such a large company, right? We are B2B a lot of our work is B2B. So I think it's fantastic to be able to understand, what are you thinking of in the next 50 years, hundreds of years, and be able to integrate. So listening to, a brief from Daikin is invaluable for a startup that's as small as ours, because it allows us to build and prioritize features in order to better hit these milestones with them. Of course, it's very challenging. Of course, it's not easy to reach these milestones with these companies, but once you do, it means you can hit these milestones with any other company. So it's been really something very, very useful, invaluable for us, and also these POCs, we were able to generate some revenue, showing that there is interest in the industry for us, meaning that we can work with other customers and grow our sales process. I think that's mostly it. Thank you very much, and have a good evening.
Thank you very much, Cyril. So next up is Dennis from IoT Block.